by surfacing these kinds of insight to business leaders, to technology executives, we all get everyone on the same page. We get a sense for what is our capacity today. You end up with data-driven decision-making. The challenge that technology leaders have today is that everything is based on opinions. If we say no to this, well, we get that. Well, we don't know. What is our actual capacity? What is the effect of having supported the teams by providing more automation? The transformation I've seen from executives adopting these dashboards is that decisions are driven by data. And there's this amazing thing that happens because I participate in a lot of these executive reviews with CIOs, with CTOs, with leadership, as well as the leadership of the teams and of the individual business units and value streams, is that when we're looking at these flow metrics at the portfolio level, at some point, people stop questioning the data. Once that flow modeling is done, the visibility is right. We know exactly the flow distribution. We know exactly the trade-offs that we've made historically between features, defects, risks, and debts, as an example, right? We have an accurate view of time to value as measured with flow time. We know we've got accurate data, even though these teams are working in different ways, even though these teams might be working different tools, even though we might have a very complex value stream who's got a set of legacy tools that they're still stuck using. So the data becomes accurate. And at that point, the discussion changes completely, because rather than picking apart the data, picking apart questions, and people becoming defensive around, half their work not being visible or a contractor's work not being visible, the conversation turns actionable. The discussions stop focusing on the data and whether the data is accurate, and everything becomes a discussion on how to help the teams improve, how to deliver more value to the business and to the customer, and how to reduce things like work in progress, how to reduce flow time and time to market, and just how to drive more value and more velocity and more flow.